Petersfield's Shine Radio.
Growing Together.
Welcome to Growing Together, the gardening podcast from Petersfield Shine Radio. I'm Anne Marden.
And I'm Coxie.
So I'm with Brigitte from LetsGrowFlax, who's creating a lot of interest today at the seed swap. Tell us all about what the initiative is and how it's come about, and what are you trying to reach through to people?
Yes, we had seed packs with us today to join the seed swap, so people could grow their own flax in their gardens, and to see what it could lead to, we have our genes.
Yes, and the genes, I must say, I have just been over there with my friend Claire, and we love the genes. They are cool, they are really trendy. Our daughters would both love them, I know they would. And they just felt quite light as well. Good thick quality like denim, but a little bit lighter. I just absolutely love them.
Yes, they have a lovely drape. So initially we aimed for a very similar spec to cotton jeans, because it's such a fashion staple, but it's just so bad for the environment. So if you could use a locally grown cellulose fibre, which is very similar to cotton, like linen, so flax makes linen. So we grew our linen denim jeans instead of cotton jeans.
Yeah.
And linen is a fantastically biodegradable fabric. It can be grown regeneratively. That means not only does it take little out of the soil, it actually returns a lot to the soil.
Right.
Because it's a deep rooter, it's really beneficial for the soil. So this is with flax growing, you're doing actually something in general for our topsoil, which is really, really good. But the genes were grown by 30 growers, grew 40 square meters in the allotments, gardens, pots even, and then we collected about 2/3 of their crop for the genes project and processed communally, and a portion was hand spun to increase and revive textile skills with spinning linen and so forth, and a portion was given to a London micro mill to have it mechanically spun into linen yarn. They're a startup, so at the moment the quantities are quite small, which was perfect for our group to test the waters, but in general the long-term aim is that everybody could just grow a little bit of flax in their garden and then maybe post it to the fantasy fibre mill, or they have a mobile mill if they come around and in the area, and have their own linen yarn spun from their own crop. That's the long-term aim.
So Claire and I were very excited about this. Obviously, we've got our pack of seeds ready. I'm going to put some in my allotment, and I'll keep our Growing Together listeners up to date on that. So you were explaining to me, so yes, as you just said, we've got our seeds to grow, we then cut them down, we contact the fantasy mill, I think it was. Is that correct?
You can also process everything by hand yourself. So on our website, we have a section with downloadable plans for flax tools. So you can take it as far as breaking and processing your own fibre, and some people do that and just do their own textile projects.
Wow.
And do anything from textile artwork to small mending patches, whatever. And we reckon that from 2 square meters you could produce a small dish towel.
Wow.
So, and some people choose to go completely end to end themselves, from sewing to growing, from flax to fabric.
Yeah.
But we also have people that dip in. Some people just love the growing and the dainty blue flowers in their garden.
Yes, they looked really pretty.
And pass it on, yes, always. It's a lovely, lovely sight. And everybody who remembers maybe being in France or whatever, seeing the blue flax fields, it's a really beautiful plant to have in your garden.
Well, we are definitely going to give it a grow. Got all the instructions were within the seeds. Tell our listeners as well how to find you.
Okay, so we are LetsGrowFlax, and we have a website with a lot more information, and we also have a membership site with donation options. Everybody who donates gets a seed pack with instructions, and if you catch me at an event like the seed swap today, we're going to go to other seed swaps as well. Then come and find me, and you get them for free, and you get to see the genes, and you hear the whole story.
Yeah. And you're local as well, aren't you?
We are in the Hazelmere area and Farnham as well. So these are our two project base points.
Not too far from the Petersfield then?
Not at all. And
Lovely.
with Petersfield flax in the genes. We had two growers from a local allotment.
Really?
Yes. So
how exciting.
in the genes, as we have them, is already Petersfield flax.
Yippee, brilliant. That was so interesting, and we'll definitely get growing, and hopefully you'll hear from some more of our listeners as well. Thank you.
That'd be lovely. Thank you.
Growing together.